Hello all, today in this video I will explain how to install Anaconda in Windows 11. So for that I am searching as Anaconda Python in Google. So with that this individual version is this first link you have to click, and then you can see these things. Here just click for Windows. So here you can see it is for different OS such as Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Now in this video I'm just showing how to install in Windows. So first we can download this. So I'm just downloading it. It takes some time. Since it is an 510 MB file, it took some time to get downloaded. So once it downloaded, you will get an .exe file. Just click that .exe file. So here you have to give next, and I agree. Here if you want to install only for you means just give just me, or else for all users means you can click all users. Now I'm giving only just me. So I'm giving next. So as is the case also, my destination folder, it will be created automatically itself. So if you want to create some other folder also, you can change the folder over here by clicking this browse function, and you can change over the folders you need, and you can provide the destination folder of your wish. Here I'm providing it as the default destination folder itself, and then I am giving next. So then here they have already clicked this register Anaconda 3, but they haven't clicked this add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. Here once you are clicking, you can see it has changed to red. That they have given it is not recommended, but if you want means you can use. So I want this, that is since I'm installing first, I'm just giving it add Anaconda 3. So it's an optional case only. If you want means you can, or else just leave it, and then we can install this. So the packages are setting up. This also will take some time since it is a large DB. So the setup has been, installation has been completed. Here they have given it's completed. So then we have to just click next. Here also we have to just click next. And finally here if you want this means just leave it as such, or if you don't want means just uncheck it and just click finish. So now the installation is completed. So then we can just move to our Windows folder. So just we can check whether this Python is installed. So just I'm clicking Anaconda prompt. Yeah, now it's installed. So then I'm just opening this Anaconda prompt. So now I'm just to check the version of Python. I'm using this command Python version I'm just clicking enter. So the version of Python which I installed is Python 3.9.7. So then in order to open the Jupyter notebook, so Anaconda, it is defaultly having this Jupyter, Spyder and some other tools too. Now I'm just opening this Jupyter notebook from this Anaconda prompt itself. For that I'm just typing Jupyter notebook and just giving enter. So in this time, in this we will open the Jupyter and it takes some time. You can also open it from the search bar, that is the Windows search bar. So this is also another option. Let it open. At that time it's opening. So let's wait. So it is up. It will open in the Chrome, or whatever browser. Here it's asking what browser you have to give. So just using this Google Chrome and I'm giving OK. So it is opening in the Google Chrome. So then I'm opening this desktop and here I'm just clicking the new button. Here I'm providing the notebook. So once I'm provided, it is redirected to another Jupyter notebook page. Here we can start processing and just I am giving just an in print function. So I'm just providing the normal print function. So just hello and I'm providing enter. And just if you want to run means you can click this run function. So once I run, it is the output is displayed. All will know the print hello will display print only. So if you want to save means you can save here as save as, and in desktop whatever name. Here I'm just saving as print hello and I'm giving save. So now it's saved. This will be provided in the desktop in the in the folder where this Python is installed. So now we can open the Spyder version. So I'm just opening Spyder. We are just checking whether the folders which we have run is sorry installed as opening or not. So I'm now here opening closing this Anaconda prompt which we initially open. Here the print hello function is saved over here, which we save in the desktop. In order to open the Spyder first time, it will take some time. This is the version 3.9 of Spyder. It is opening and it's loading. You can see this will take some time. Here it is given that now only it is initializing and another things like breakpoints or loading. So just we can dismiss this and then we can start with the Spyder editor. So here also I am just running with the print function. And this green color button is to run file. Here I am giving run. So this kernel is only connecting now. Once it is connected, our output will be displayed in the kernel that as hello.